Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up
Going in.
in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
Ooh, salty. I forgot how slow it is to swim without flippers. Hello.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in
How
the
did it
air.
go?
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the
There's a bar over there. I think we should go to the bar.
We should go to the bar. We could.
There's not much of a beach here, but what there is there. And this is actually low season. This is quiet season. This is, I mean, we are almost at the beginning of November and
Middle of October.
middle of October.
Middle of October.
Oh yeah, it is. It's middle of October. You're right. How's your food?
Yum, 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 yum.
Marilynne's gone looking for an IPA, which to me is like going looking for a poke in the eye with a sharp stick, because, ew. But, you know, some people just like to torture themselves with IPA. Wandering around Victoria, kind of looking for the middle, and we've failed. We have not found the town centre of Victoria. We're sure it's here, but we keep like wandering down these little streets expecting to find a town centre, only to find not a town centre, like more streets like this, which are lovely. But I might have to come back here and explore some more.
The last surviving something unpronounceable Latini in Gozo was in reality just a hulk of a long abandoned boat christened the Sacra Familia. There you go.
And now I'm going up to meet my friend and go for a little walk around Valletta and then eat real food because she likes real food.
Oh wow.
Basket, milfoil, and then finish with the pizza. When you come to our umami bomb,
So we are eating at a very, very nice restaurant here. I mean, one of the best in Malta, probably the best. And it's got faults. The lighting comes from the center of the table, but it's bounced off something that's like right down. So everyone gets that like Boris Karloff look, which is not a good look for eating at a nice restaurant. The other thing is that there's no soundproofing in it, and it's in a limestone cave, so it's very loud and it's difficult to talk. Great.
but everything is perfect.
Okay.
What is it? do you know?
It's underwear.
The hat.
Oh, that's cool.
And, you know, it's this wonderful graphic design.
Didn't drop the phone.
Shit. This is bad.
I'll call it.
Yeah. Shit.
She found it.
Wait a minute. Scream.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air.